Good day. I would like to show you guys how to multiply numbers when they're near a base number. So base number is a 1 followed by any number of zeros. For example, 10 is a base number, 100 is a base number, 1000 is a base number. If you guys would like to learn more about base numbers, just look at my video, all from 9, last from 10. So here we're going to use multiplication near base number. So for example, the first one here, the first problem, 12 times 16, we're going to say that's off of base number 10. 12 is plus 2. If you think plus 2 from 10, right, you add 2 to 10, you get 12. So 16 would be plus 6 from base 10. Remember, we're going off of base 10. And to get the answer, we're going to use two parts. So here we'll call this the right-hand side, and this will be the left-hand side. To get the left-hand side, it's real simple. We just either cross-add 12 to 16, or we cross-add 16 to 2. Either way, we get 18, right? 12 plus 6, that's 18, or 16 plus 2, that's going to give us 18. And for the right-hand side, we're simply going to multiply the the differences. So 2 times 6, that gives us 12. And here's something you should note. For the right-hand side, however many zeros are in the base number, that's going to be how many digits are on the right-hand side. So we see there's only 1 0. That means we only have room for 1 digit here. So when we multiply 2 times 6, we get 12. We're going to write it like this. That means we have to carry this 1 up here. So our final answer is 192. I'll show you that again here. Second problem, 15 times 18. Once again, we're working off of base number 10. 15 is going to be plus 5. 18 will be plus 8. Okay, we're going to either add this way or add this way. 18 plus 5, that's the same as 15 plus 8. Either way, for our left-hand side, we're going to get 23. And for the right-hand side, remember, we simply just multiply straight down. 5 times 8 gives us 40. 5 times 8 gives us 40. Kind of write it like that. And this 4 gets carried over. So 270. That'll be our answer. 12 times 12, real simple, working off of base 10. Here's plus 2, here's plus 2. Either add this way or this way. Left-hand side is 14, 12 and 2. Right-hand side, multiply straight down, 4. Now notice we didn't have anything to carry over. We didn't have to carry anything over here. Remember, we only get 1 0 in our base number. Means there's only going to be 1 digit in our right-hand side. 2 times 2, that gives us 4. That's that 1 digit. So our final answer is 144. Okay, let's try 16 times 17. Once again, working off of base 10. 16, that's plus 6. 17 is plus 7. We're either going to add those two or these two. 17 and 6, that's the same as 16 and 7. That'll give us 23. And our right-hand side, we multiply straight down. 6 times 7 is 42. Bring that over here, we get 272. Okay, let's try this one off of base number 100. So 103 times 105. Base number 100. 103 is plus 3. 105 is plus 5. However many zeros are in the base, that's kind of how many zeros I like to put here. Notice up here, for example, we only had 1 0 in the base, so I'll only put just 1 digit here. Here we have 2 zeros. I'm going to put 2 digits here. That also means that the right-hand side will have 2 digits. Remember, however many zeros are in the base number we're working off, that's how many zeros are going to be in the right-hand side. So 103 times 105. We either add these two or these two. Either way, we get the same thing. 108. 3 times 5, that gives us 15. Final answer. It's a very quick way of doing maths. I'll show you guys a couple more examples using base 100 and then base 1000. Okay, problem number 1, 111 times 113. Working off of base number 100. I don't know where these lines keep coming from. Okay, sorry about that. 111 times 113. So this is going to be plus 11. This is going to be plus 13. Okay, for our left-hand side, remember we simply cross add either 113 plus 11 or 111 plus 13. For our left-hand side, either way we get the same answer. That'll be 124. 11 times 13 for the right-hand side will give us, let's see, 143. And we got to bring that extra one, we got to add it, we got to carry it over. So our final answer, 12543. Okay, problem number 2, 105 times 106. Working from base number 100, this is going to be plus 5. This will be plus 6. Left-hand side, either add these two or add these two. That gives us 111. For the right-hand side, we multiply straight down the differences. That'll give us 30. And remember, how many zeros are in the base is going to be how many digits in the right-hand side. You see, we didn't need to carry anything over this time. So we could say our final answer, 11,130. Okay, problem number 3, 102 times 111. Here we're going to say this is plus 2, this is plus 1. Remember, we're working on base 100. For our left-hand side, 103. And 2 times 1 gives us 2, but we need 2 digits. Remember, we need 2 digits here. And this is kind of like I was saying earlier, why I like to write out the difference, however many zeros, is I like to write out that many digits here, here. That's how many digits will be going here. So 2 times 1 gives us 2, but we're going to write it like this. So our final answer. Okay, working on base number 100. Here we have a difference of 10. Here we have a difference of 3. Left-hand side, 110 plus 3 gives us 113. 10 times 3 gives us 30. There's our final answer. I'll show you guys a couple examples using base number 1000, and then after that, if you guys like to try this on your own, just make up a couple of your own problems, give it a try. Okay, the first problem, we're working off of base 1000. So we're going to say this is plus 3, this is plus 300. For our left-hand side, we're either going to add these two or these two. Either way, it's the same thing. 1303. And for our right-hand side, we simply multiply the differences together. That'll give us 900. Once again, I know I've been saying this quite a few times, but however many zeros are in the base, that's going to be however many digits are on the right-hand side. So here's our final answer. See, we get these answers real quick using these methods. Okay, Second problem, 1011 times 1010. This is a difference of 11. This is a difference of 10 from base 1000. Okay, adding these two or adding these two. Either way, that's what we get. And 11 times 10 is 110. So there's our final answer. Okay, last problem, working off of base 1000. This is plus 303. This is plus 1. So for our left-hand side, we get this, and for our right-hand side, we get this. Final answer. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy these. This is a real quick way of doing maths, Vedic maths. In my next video, I'll show you what to do if we are multiplying numbers below a base. Say we're working on base 100. Say something like 97 times 96, where those numbers are below a base. Instead of being, it's negative. Below the base, instead of over here, we use negative. Over here we use positive. So I'll show you in my next video how to do these, and then also how to do if it's mixed. So for example, 97 times 103. If one of them is below a base and one of them is above a base, I'll show you guys how to do that. Look for my next video. I'll be doing that shortly, and I hope you guys enjoy these tricks. It can help you if you have time tests in school. You need to do your test in a certain amount of time. You want to go back over it. So help you out to get your work done a lot faster. Okay, you guys, enjoy. Thanks.